Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to this edition of Growing Wisdom. Today we're coming to you from Berry's Greenhouses. This is a wholesale operation in Natick. They actually just told me all of these Baptisias are sold, so you can find them. They're a great plant, and the reason I want to point this out today is because of the yellow color. Now, Baptisia often comes in purple, but this is American Goldfinch is the particular variety, and it's a really great yellow. And one of the reasons I'm just sort of sitting down in this is because in mass it looks really wonderful. So when you have one of these plants, you could get one and it could sort of be a standout plant in your garden, but if you get a bunch of them and create this wide swath of it, you get this real pop of color that's really big. And these will flower for many weeks during the course of the late spring and early summer. They definitely want sun, they definitely want well-drained soil. They'll do okay if they get a little bit of shade, but they really want that sunshine. So American Goldfinch Baptisia, a great plant to add to your garden. Comes back every year, a terrific perennial. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.